Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ke State Rural Employment Society Community and Rural Development Department hagajing trailang bat ke office jong ke Deputy Commissioner East Khasi Hills kila pelong ke Azadi ke Amrit Mahotsav haringkat lang bat ke jing Sdang ya ke Meri Maati Desh campaign hanong thamai lom thang ding haba kren ne ke Sngi Menteri Ketenat CNRD UAT Mondal Ulaong ba kini Sngi kedai Sngi ban rakhi ke lingko dap hanyo pusan snem jong keri India bat kumnung in shim ye ke jingkit kle ban penlong ye keri India keri kaban la ban pendap penbiang jarade klem ke jingerap jong ki weipat kiri ke perthai Ulaong ba kini ke Meri Maati Desh kalong sibenta ban penlong ye keri India kaban keo ha kiliang baro hapa usnem arajar sapuh nyo ha kaban wengno ye ke jing sngo ba ngisha sensyar ha ki weipat bat ruban rakhe ye jing long terai jongi bat ban Kynmaw Burom ye kitu ki beyada ye keri ha kini ke Sngi layo ru ye ke jing kren MLA ke Sora uba Gavin M Milim Chief Secretary uba DP Walang Commissioner and Secretary CNRD Department uba FR Kharkongor bat kiwei hagni ke Sngi la pelipat baru ya umot sa jing Kynmaw jong kire krau ke Jylla ke biak khun ban yo ya ke jing lai lui
Ban penlong ya keri India kebakiu Boroi bat banyang hala kikjan shwa ka hajar saupunyo ban pendu no ya kano ke jing snow sha te mrau haki bor ne jing sen shar nong wei ban snow sarong haka ban kintiu ban penne pensa ban pen roy yala ka jong kariti ka dustur ban te song ya ka jing nong ka wei bat ban nyo Burom ya ka jing len la de ki Riewshlur nakabenta kari ban pendam ye ki kamram bat ki jingkit kle bala binshet
the Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav. Only yesterday we under the leadership of our dynamic Chief Minister almost the entire cabinet met the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, and we could see his emotion that how this program should go. My previous speakers already have mentioned about the importance of this program. This program is today only happening in Lailankat village. No, it is happening in the entire country. And to commemorate the 75th years of the independence, the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav program has been initiated by none other than our Honorable Prime Minister on to focus 5 main points how we have fought our freedom struggle. Then the ideas to take India beyond 75 years, and we got to resolve that how we take the country beyond 75 years to make it one of the economically vibrant country, and for that what actions are to be taken and the achievements are to be flagged off. On this basis, this program has been taken up with Dandi March in the month of March 2021. And to commemorate that program, to culminate on the 30th of August of this year, a new program has been initiated, Meri Maati, Mera Desh. This program also have 5-point plans. And these 5-point plans are that to make India one of the most developed and self-reliant nation by 2047, to remove the idea of colonialism and the trace of colonial mindset, then to celebrate our heritage and strengthen our unity in respect of those who protect the country and perform our duties as one of the responsible citizens of the country. And to have this program in the entire country, the villages have been selected. And today we have selected this village. From all over the VECs, this program will be continued, and ultimately this will be culminated on the 30th August of this year. Now, what are the 5-point programs? We have seen in our freedom struggle, our own freedom fighters, if we name Utirot Singh, Ukyang Nongba, Pat Togon Neng Minja Shangma, Kafan Nongleit, they have fought for this country. And today we have the freedom because of their sacrifices for the country. And after the freedom also, the country to be kept protected. And by whom? The people who is guarding the country in the most hostile frontiers. That's why the program came, Shila Folokam. That is the memorial plaque. Today after the program is there, we will open the memorial plaque where the names of the people who have sacrificed for our nation, who have sacrificed their life for our freedom and keep continuing doing so, their names will be written in golden letters. We'll be having also the Panch Pran Pledge. We will take oath on the 5-point programs, and then we'll have Basudha Bandhan. Because freedom means our motherland, and motherland means our soil. How to protect the soil, and how this soil retain its freedom, not only for the foreign aggression, but from the various things that creates problem for our society's development. So all these programs will be done, and the soil will be collected from each and every VC. I think we are also doing the same thing, and it will be put in a jar, and this jar will be carried to Delhi, and all the soils carried from the 4 corners of the country will be put into a garden, and this garden will be called a Amrit Vatika. So tomorrow when we will go and visit this Amrit Vatika in Delhi, we will see that soils of all the villages of Meghalaya is also present there. The idea is to make the unity among all the nooks and corners and its people living there. And then Biro Ka Bandhan. So we will commemorate by honoring our babes. How we have seen in the drama, Captain Clifford Nongrum, he came for a vacation And when he went back with a promise that he will come back again, he could not make it. We felt emotional. I know that how it will be too bearing to the family. Because of these brave hearts, today we are free from the foreign aggression. So I need not say much on these subjects. Our local MLA, he has explained very beautifully. Chief Secretary and our Commissioner Secretary also explained everything in details. The idea is that India is a free nation and its head should be always in the topmost position. It should be free from all the evil things. The people who protect this country, our salute to them, and to commemorate all these things, today we are here. On 30th of August, maybe in the presence of Honorable Prime Minister, the program will be held at Delhi, where the soil taken from all the villages, from Meghalaya, from northeast, from entire country, will be put into a place and where the plantation also will be done. This program coming exactly at 75th year of our freedom. So everything is taken as 75 years. We know that climate changes are also done. So Honorable Prime Minister has directed that every program and every village should plant 75 trees. For us, thinking 75 trees is just what will happen. But India is having around 640,000 plus villages, and multiply with 75,000, then how many crores trees will be there? So this will help our climate also. And if we holistically do this program, definitely the tree that has been cut in the different corners of the country will be replaced by this tree plantation. We hope that we will take and we will do this program in letter and spirit, so that trees are being planted everywhere, which will be also culminated in the final program in Delhi. Thank you very much to every one of you for coming here, especially the Dorbasunong, Rongbasunong, and also the members of the VCs in this part, and the video and the project director who have organized this program.
Benengkong mentak Sngi kadai ka kendai tarik u August, but pra pu ways nan mensua. Hakni keju Sngi kendai tarik ka Sdang ka quit India movement. But ka quit India movement kadai ka movement. Kaba kinong India hak tu kapor kiong ye ki pareng bakidi ban mi no na kane kari jongi. Ka Sdang mentak Sngi kendai tarik u August, but nakata kadau yakane ka function ru la rai da ka government of India bagin pelong mentak Sngi ngin Sdang mentak Sngi bat kanya baro chimnai ka function iu kane ka function kadai bangi penkut ya ka jing rakhe nyo ko sans nem jong ka jing like do jong kari jongi menchip nem akuar arajar arpuar ngidap nyo ko sans nem bat bar ro system ila don kini function boper la pelong ki kenja festival yang kene kade azadi ki amrit mahotsav azadi kemut jinglai lui but mahotsav kemut kade ka festival lane ka jingle kemen ting kene ka jingle kemen kalong baro system nado ukhanar tarik ubnai march arjar arpui Sdang ka bau announce u prime minister jongi bat kayat hadu menta bakan kut menta ubnai bali ni pelong ya kene ka azadi ki amrit mahotsav Namar ba ni kwa ban Kynmaw ya pi baro katno itu bala lestom la tristom ban yo ay kajing la loy ni Kynmaw ya teng jongki bat ha kane ka Sngi santri kam ngi ban le santri kam ka ban kong gade utai umau hantai ngin pli utai mau bat ngin yi how to mau ka jing tho ya kitu baro ki bala yarap bani yo ya ka jing like do jong kari jongi kin don ru kitu ki bare nang ne na po ka Jylla jongi ru lada kim dei nak benta ka jing like do ndei la le ai nak benta kari kumang lai I mentan ak tu ka skip bopni u Clifford nongrum kumno u yadai kari jongi ha Kargil hausnam chejar khandai spa knap khandai but u ai la ka jong ka jing im tikawai ka dei bagin play utang mau hantai but sa jing mau ya kitu ki bala yap na unta kari kabar ka dei bagin shim smai santli ki smai in shim dak sngi baro bidon ning in shim dak khasihi ban perlong e kari India kan long kara ri ka bakieu ka baroi but ka banum kam ban depend hakiwai house nem ar hajar sau punyo kumut shispa nem hadir ka jing lain do nung don kanu ka jing don kam nakiwai kiri bagin yarap ingin long self reliant self sufficient house nem ar hajar sau punyo ban penduk no ya kanu kam ka basyate amrau kata kadai ka jing smai ka ba jing smai ka belai kadai ban sau sarong ha ka ban kentiu bat penno pensa bat penroi ya laki jong kiriti laki jong ki dustur ka jing smai ka basau ban te song ya ka jing long kawai kata kadai ka berengkam ba unity and integrity bat ka jing smai ka basan ban pendat I kamram bat jing ke kle bla pencet hangi kum kinong senong nak benta kari te kini kan sawan hadien ka jing sim smai te ka berengkong de tai mau ka baar kari win sim smai ka balai ka de ban celebrate ya ka jing dap nyau po san snem jong ka jing lai do gini thung nyau po san tali gidien ha ka ni ka jaka benta ka sngi ka Sdang ka ni ka celebration ban penkut no ya ka ni ka amrit mahotsav ak state jongi nanda ka basau ka bagidi man lem dak sngi ka de ban ngin ai recognition ya kitu I bahayeng basem jong kitu kiba lalesh tom blatrish tom ki klakawai kiba defend ya kari jongi bat hagjo poru ya kajik banyo ya kajing like do kari jongi bar ka basan bakado kadai bang ini yang lang ini ruai ya kan national anthem ha ka bakut kini kadai santli kiba in le mentak sngi hangne bat mdei tang hangne kane mentak sngi kadai kajing Sdang bat mentak sngi kane ka function kalong ha India bara boy kamot deki hajar tali ki function ke long kumbalong ha kane ka senong mentak sngi but haposti jongi kumosi ong menne kumbalong menne kanya nadu mentak sngi kan kut how life how tarik jong marai August ngin pedlong ha si hajar praspa khat artali kamot niya kat kum ki AEC Area Employment Council
daga bangin long shisha kita ginong song ki badan ya ka jingkit kli bani tle lang ringkat lang banwanra e ka Burom bat kumju ban kentiu ya ka rihi barokawai ha ki benta ki bapero pher berkum ka rihi barokawai ngimna ballen e ka jing shisha ngiem ha ka ri ka ba ki jaj benreu ki babun ki jaj jinget ki jaj niam ki babun rei ka benta ka ba kongsan kalong bakum ginong song ki badan ya ka jingket kli larengi kwa shisha bantai na ka benta ka ni gari ka bai ka jong ka benta ka bokongsan kalong mangi dan kam ban Burom iwei pat bandan ya ka akor ka Burom bandan ya ka jing sorit banganget skem bakini hi gede ki benta ki bokongsan banagalyang ka jongi ngilla ban pinulong ya kita ki pledge ki bangin sapuli shibet hasyaban wai kani ka program kamanagalyang ka jongi ngi angnut palat balingba ka jingi trelang lang iwei pe iwei ngenang la ban kentiu ya kani ka ri ka bai ka jongi hagi benta ki boper ni sodan boxi ka dei e bangilayo ban pelong ya kani ka program ha kani ka jaka baro henne kila comment laling kila ikren syapang ka jingjengam jong ani ka thain ka jong Kynmaw bakum kinong song larangi kwa ban penyai ne ya kani ka jingjengam kumang jong idan kam bat penne pensa ya kani ka me mariang ka jong to shim makini ki saudong saukun to shim bakilong kum ki benta ki banakalyang ka jongi ngila shim kelyang na ki pateng ki banwan wat shim bakilong kinong kinti ki jonga ka jongphi hangta nagalian ka jongi in sanang kumno ban penne pensa ya kani kami mariang ka jongi tanagalian ka jonga ngam kwa shu ban pinjrong ga jingkran ka jonga hangni ka por bomenta sai sien nga shimne galat banai kublei ya baro ki officers ki bladani ka benta ka bakraw ki blad trailang ringkat bat ki dikhot jaga VC nangne na po no thma lom thangding.
When Gigi Swell at the birth of the nation said that Meghalaya is a shining frontier and a patch of beauty and grace, probably he had this place in mind, because it indeed is a patch of beauty and grace. This area bukan jaka la jet kerpang nagaliang jong department ba nginya yo galat penlong ya kani program hapreng gini ki wadot but hapreng gini jingjernam ke beitenan but ngai kublai ya boro ki balaya snok thi ki bala don ringkat akini janmit ban penlong ya kani program kumagalong hindiat namta kani program de se bona phi bini lungo belai bangi don kani program ndre kumba arsne menshwa ha ukarar tarik jumu march ara jara pawai Sdang ketika program bakikot ke azadi ki amrit mahotsav bani rakhe ya kelengko senam ke banyu pesan 75 years of India's independence berkata ke program ke Sdang da ke jingya it started with a march nado Sabarmati ke berana pak Gujarat Sharosha Dandi ko mapitip layas ngo lesia ki history ke Dandi march jungu Mahatma Gandhi ke bedai ke wai ki events about one of the most important milestones in the events in the journey towards achieving India's freedom. But as the Minchwa Kanika program class done, our Honorable Chief Minister had also in fact gone to Gujarat and participated in the Dandi March, and he also completed I think about 10 to 12 kilometers walking on foot. CM Juiru Layan Hagdo Dandi March, but Umda Teter, Iniki Arsnem Gilayan, but Menta Kalade Kapor, Banginia Manamno Haga Karater March Kolonga, or Bangi Play Perda, Menta Bregadega, closing function. Te Nado Menta Kasni, Hado Laipotarik March, Baro ki VC ki AC, Nidon Shiajar, Prasma Karatli ki AC, Hakani Jylla Jungi. Te Haman kini ki AEC kindon kini program ki bakerpang kumangilong mda kasngi. Today we join hands with the rest of the country and the rest of the state in organizing these kind of programs which are twofold. Kidon arbanta kini ki ba don kama kawai kade tribute to the soil. Bangin snow don kataga jing melung lane kataga jing ai Burom ya ka kendo jungi bangi di dong song snong jong ne ga ri jong ne Jylla in so sorong bangi di dong song snong jong ne ga ri barka ar bare salutation to the hero, tribute to the soil and salutation to the hero. Kare namata ka daw bangi la yakot sum bha yakot don Burom ya ki families jong kini ki brave hearts in ki klawat jonga Jylla jungi ngiti baros bang utirot sing ukyang nomba barupa dogan songma kumangilay asgo hagdo jingruai remedaksi limba to ka skip bangi ngiyoi kindiat yaga jingim jong clifford nongrum ubala lenilede namda gari but ngakan mau how to snem 1999. My mind goes back to 1999 when Shillong and was in the grips of militancy that time, and most of Shillong lived under the shadow of the gun. But when late Clifford's body was brought back to Shillong, the whole city came out, defying caste, culture, community barriers. They all became one to witness this brave son, and those scenes and those episodes are still very fresh in my memory. But kumno baro ki yang rasong ki smo sarong namda uni ukhon namda uni uklawat wala len ya ka jingim namda gari ngayoru kalan 2 years after that when I got into the Indian Administrative Service nijudon ke bakhot ka army attachment and we got an opportunity bane Kargil because gani ka batch 2000. So in 2000 2001 kani ka Kargil war karang Sukut ban ngiyo alat, we got a chance to go to those very areas, to Kargil, to Dras, ngiyo alat ban ni, of course na kamiyo ban kiyo yo to 2.4812 ring yo ina janba ban ngiyo snow ya kini ki long ki puris kam ki stories jong bravery jong Clifford Nongrum bar kumu nong Meghalaya kumu Khasi kumu Traishnong ni rasmo sarong. We felt proud that the story of Clifford Nongrum was known and was revered throughout Kashmir and throughout the Indian Army. When we got a chance to go to we were attached to 9 Garhwal and 14th Sikh Regiment at that time, and Major General Panag was there, and we remember him sharing these stories with us. So it recaptures, it rekindles our imagination, it rekindles those stories of the brave heart.
No, my spot is wrong there. Okay, sir. I've already seen my spot. Okay. See, I'm long. You can't infringe on.
Nakaliang janga como chairman juga diisi nga ngau komen hadu kata-kata baka sarkar India kala jir ini ke jikawan pelong ia kene program na benta ke jing rke jing dap new santem jong India te kini ki mau nongrim ki bu ka perketik yang kilong din mandin ba kini ki lele ngamta ka jilai lu jong India kila IT ala ke jong jim na benta ka ri baka jai ber ki len ya de hadu pendaya ru kip sangau salia te ngasangau ai kuble kerpang kamtam ya ki bahing sem jong itu ki martir ki bala IT la ki kun ki ki bahing ban yadaya kari
atau bim skau bagani ke de Burom ba pra lonta ka kadong apo ani ka chno ila ka ko
klempem ni sngo Burom kum ka shinong baragwe kum ka utmalum sanding ngarkat ila ka baragwe ba ka sarkar Meghalaya kala jid ini ke jaka hamne po umpuli iksar nak bentak ni function ke ba internet ke ba Don Burom
kasi ka jingjit jong ka India ke jaka ka dai na jingdon jong ne ka pung ke boklai internet ka jaka pelang guma long te wu to pishim bagani ka internet jong ne ka jaka lengba ka jing pentre ju pi no tak ne ka bisi hatu pishim bagadai ka kam mitrelang jong ka snong hi borok
ke gade kita mo kadi jing trelang jong kinong sunong moro kilong mi kilong pa ki samla khamtam ki ni ki jokat ki bala register LD di jing tre stom jong ki rangkat komiti ni la ban penitnat ni jaka kumala ai sanction de sarkar kan ni la yo kambun ba ki bru yo kam yo ko bai nong Sngi ki imja na kan ni jaka te nolo kata ke jing tanat dengan jaka ki kring ye ki non chnokai te hagisne mala dep ni la kalek sabun bang ni tang ha ka ayom tlang ni la kalek hadu rulak tengka te kolong kai ke jing yo nong nam tak sno
te kumbalong mentakan ni ka jingan tu ju ginang jo kai kadang beteng ne mobu shik ne jaka
ia mentah ingila khang swar bangim don tamas no kumbong rei nang ni syakmat ni persyang ban plibiang maki pai ba bun ki phone ki kwa ban wan jingok ni jika ban mar kai tanat kisah